With perma-connect, all non-radio capable perma-lubrication systems can also be added. You can add the systems by using the mobile version or the web version. To do this, press the plus button in the corresponding lubrication point. Select the corresponding lubrication system in the Setup Assistant. The LC size and lubricant data can either be entered manually or automatically by scanning the QR code on the LC. Scanning the QR code is only possible with the mobile app. For selecting, entering the discharge period, all available discharge periods of this lubrication system are displayed. The settings are applied by clicking Save Settings. Please note that the lubrication system cannot be switched on in perma-connect. After configuration, switch it on manually at the lubrication system and also press the corresponding button in the app. Alternatively, you can also start the runtime for several systems at the same time by making multiple selections. The date of the next exchange of a lubrication system without wireless technology can be changed manually in the detail view of a lubrication point. In perma-connect, you can also manage all lubrication points that are not equipped with a perma lubrication system. To do this, please select Custom System in the Setup Assistant.